Well, hello, it's Bears back. Today I thought I'd get in on that Albert LaBelle Stock Lock Sunday. This is a little BRADY ABUS. It doesn't say a number to it. It's probably like a 30 millimeter. There's the key. There's your bidding. It has no spring tension on the core or the shackle. Just a regular lockout, tag out, little lock. Let's see if we can get into this thing. First I got to be able to tension it. I'm gonna try right there. No, oops, no. Let me see. Okay, how about like that? Yeah, I think that'll work. Give me a grip on the thing. It's danky. It's real danky. I think I can get by this warding with this. You may not be able to see much. I gotta find the pins. Okay, I think that was 5. Or it was just slipping past warding. One of the two, not sure. Yeah, I'm trying to get past that warding. I can hear it clicking off the warding. Wow. Trying to feel the pins here. I'm in a bad position to be trying. Don't know. I may have to change picks. Huh. Yeah, that's just warding I'm popping off of. Be nice if I could see the first pin and see if I'm getting past. Yeah, okay, just like that. I think well, this thing's making me look foolish. Oh, there it is. Got it. Just getting past that warding was kind of a pain. Okay, well, you see that it's open. There. Let's go ahead and dump it while we're here. Pretty much need the key for that. Well, maybe I don't. I can't. This thing's got a pin in it back down in here. You got to push it back and then let's see it back. Okay, get that out of the way. Yeah. It's gonna fight me getting it out. There it goes. All right, we got her out of there. Okay. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lock it up and pull that pin. Sorry, I cleaned up my work area, and by cleaning up my work area, I put everything in places I don't normally put it. Where is that? Oh, that one didn't want to turn at all. So, okay. Wow. That wants to slide under. There we go. All right. Now, keep that. Get my Bobby Keys pinning tray out here. Man, I'm all over the place, guys. Just, you know, bear with me. But yeah, I've got several stock locks I guess I could do this with, but oh, okay. For several Sundays, but then I may run out of stock locks. Wow. What the heck? Oh, wow. Okay. This is interesting. Ooh, I don't know if I got anything small enough to get in there. Maybe. You got a pin you have to push up. Because it's in a track, so there's the end of its track right there. So I need to push that pin up and push on that at the same time. So what a... Of course, the key's in there and it turns it, so you gotta get it just in the right spot. May need a needle for this, I don't know. Shoot. I don't have anything sharp right here. Dang it, quit turning on me. You know what? We're gonna do something else. We're gonna over rotate if we can. May not be able to. Tell you what, I'm gonna cut part of this. I'm gonna cut this and I'll be back. Okay guys, finally I got that dang thing out of there. What a pain in the you know what. Wow. That thing, I'm going to have to figure out how that actually works, but you're going to see a lot of fast forwarding or just plain cutting on this thing, because that was ridiculous. It's only 5 pins. They're all standard in the bottom. Man, that thing was a beast of a pain. Yeah. Tweezers over. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to make this a shorter video. Well, that was a standard. Very nice job. I love how the plug is in there that way. I don't know, I'm gonna have to find that little bad boy later. Jeez. It started out to seem like a real good idea, but I don't know. Man, I don't want to go back. Yeah, they all look standard. Some are shorter though. Wow. I think it's hanging up on some wording here. These pins are. Come here. Oh, interesting. And there's that back pin, the one that holds this thing in is still in there. Yeah, just there that booger is. Pain in the butt. I know I've done one of these before and I just couldn't remember how I did it, so it was just giving me all sorts of trouble. That's what happens when you get old. There you go. Bunch of standard pins. Where are my tweezers? But what's funny is I don't know if all of them are the same way, but yeah, they got a little hollowed out cup. Okay, focus. Hollowed out cup for the spring to sit in. So yeah, that's what's in this BRADY lockout tagout. All standard. Wow, thanks for watching everybody. Sorry about the long video. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.